Hello everyone, this is a demo of how we set up a continuous integration framework for deploying and testing Openstack using Docker. So we use a single command to bring up a Docker engine and a Jenkins build. Once the Jenkins server comes up, we see several jobs that are predefined. One is to create a chef server, one is to create a compute node to bring up a controller, and finally to run Tempest test cases to validate that OpenStack functionalities are working. So now we click on the chef server build to bring up a chef server. As you can see, the build is ongoing. We can go to the console and see how it's progressing. And at this point, it's uploading cookbooks. And soon the build is done. You can now go to our browser and point it to a specified port. In this case, we use port 8080 for chef server. I'm logging into the chef server. So this is the chef server. We log in with the default admin username and password. Now you can see the registered nodes. Next, we launch the OpenStack controller. Again, from the console log, we can see how it's progressing. So this is really nice because you can now see the chef run or the deployment the steps without having to log into the container or the virtual machine. And all this controller compute, they're running as separate containers. So now the controller is up. We're logging in. Obviously, I fast forwarded so that we can see the necessary steps and don't have to wait a long time to see how the whole thing works. And we're now logged into the controller. We can see that it's up and running. We can see the flavors, the images. Next step is to bring up compute node and Tempest. Those two builds can be run in parallel. So now compute node is up. We saw it in the list of hypervisors. Now I'm running a Tempest test cases. We can monitor the results. You can see the output of the Tempest results by clicking on the build status button, and then it'll show you in detail all the failed test cases as well as the past one. Thanks, hope you enjoyed the video.